Also, when you're finished with the car and it's going back, like it will be for me, I'll just unplug my phone. You can also do a master reset, so you can wipe everything out, all your directions, your home address, and anything you fear might be still on the system when you part exchange it. So into general and just click master reset at the bottom, and that'll wipe everything out. I'll do that tomorrow before it goes back to Ford, if I remember. I hope that's helped. Unfortunately, I've been at the garage today while I've been trying to do this video. The phone's been going, there's been customers going, so it's been stopping and starting. I will try to cut it together to make some sense of it. It may be that I have to do the video again, but I would like to thank Ford for lending me this vehicle for a week. I've really enjoyed it. I've had some nice drives out in it, and it's been good for me to learn the features of the Sync 3. It would have helped if there'd been an instruction book. Let's see what I can do in future. Thanks for watching.